there's two ways you can do this. You can take these bits off the back by using your hammers. And I say hammers because it's way easier with two. Or you can get really pissed off at how hard it is and how long it takes and break out the saw that you have no idea how to use. But what could go wrong? Okay, I have two saws that I can use. This one, which is just a saw that probably every person that's ever known me and loved me would prefer I use this one. Or this one, which is way more exciting, and everybody would have a hissy if they knew I was going to use this. Let's do it! Safety first. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfuckers! Ooh, she ugly. It's okay. Okay, now I need to make the sides of the box now that I've gotten the back bits, slats. It's a good word. And then I got back slats taken off. I just need to cut it in half to make the wide sides of the box. So there's 3. So I'll cut like right here. That's about good. I did not pay enough attention in shop class. Okay, so now both sides of my box are ready. That's what she said. So we're going to take the pieces that we pulled off the back of the pallet earlier and use them on the sides to hold the box together. That's what she said. Okay, anyway. So usually when I build things out of pallets, I take them apart and I take the old nails out and reuse them so that I don't have to buy anything to build. But today, I was feeling fancy, a little bit cocky, so I went to Home Hardware and I bought these fancy nails. I don't know what you call them. They're like 1.5 inches. You buy them in a bag. But you know what? The fuckers won't go in the wood. These suck. I hate them. I hate new nails. So I just went back to pulling the rusty old ones out of the pallet, and I'm going to see how these do, and I bet you they do so good. So, of course, the old nails work like a hot darn, so I'm just going to keep going with those. Alright, well, she's ugly as sin, but she'll do the trick. Now I just need to staple this black fabric to the inside so that the dirt doesn't fall out the cracks when I water it. And that's it. Fill it with dirt, put my potato seeders in, voila.